Today I wanted to try something different than usual. It's the first time I'm talking in my videos, so I hope it will be good. As you probably already noticed, I am not English, so I have a strong accent. I'm French, so I'm sorry in advance if I make some mistakes, or I don't know if I'm struggling with some words. I will try my best to make myself understandable for all of you. In this video, I would like to show you how I create on Canva and how I export it to GoodNotes. First of all, you need to know that when you want to create something in Canva, for example, a new template for GoodNotes, you must know the dimension of your work before you create it. For that, you can go on the internet and search the dimension in pixels for your work. If you are struggling with your creativity, you can search on Pinterest some inspiration for your project. I wanted a daily planner who can fit with my personality, so I started with a box for my schedule. I love when I can plan all my day because it makes me feel like I can do a lot of things if I stay focused and motivated. Next, I wanted a to-do list a little bit different than usual. You can't see the difference now because I will modify it a bit later on the video. For me, the to-do list is one of the most important things on a daily plan. It's something who will represent all things you need to achieve before the end of the day. And I think it's really important to know how to do one properly. The water tracker is a tool to help me to think of drinking more. I'm the type of person who can stay many hours without drinking, like I can forget to drink easily. You can put the number of glasses you want, but I advise you to put at least 6 to 7 glasses minimum. The notepad is for me a place I can put things I want to remember from the day I just been through. It's also a good way to write down things I'm grateful of. You can put whatever you want. The essential is to take your personal notes. The meal box is more for fun. It's a simple way to remember what I ate or to plan what I want to eat. In my opinion, the perfect to-do list is composed by 3 main goals, 3 secondary goals, and 3 other who can be reported the next day. The mood tracker is also like the meal box. It's for fun, but not totally. By that, I can track my different mood to see if I will going through a rough mental state or not, and anticipate and try to get over it before it's going bad. Put a little calendar on the top to help me visualizing in what part of the month we are. For those who are into manifestation things, I put a little box to write down the thing you really want for the day. Now you just finished your work, you need to save it as a picture and export it to GoodNotes. When you did it, you need to go to GoodNotes, Settings, Notebook Template, and now you can add your new work. In this part of the video, I will show you how I feel every part of the planner. You can also take this planner on my Pinterest. I will put the link on the description. During this video, I really hope I didn't make mistakes. If it's the case, I'm really sorry. I'm still learning English. I love talk and write in English, but sometimes it's a little bit hard because we have a lot of common words in French, so it's not impossible that I can just make a mix between English and French. So I'm sorry. Close your eyes if you see some mistakes or if you heard some mistakes. Thank you. For the mood trigger part, you can put a lot of mood. It's not only one, it can be 2 or 3. Now this is the part I'm the most afraid of, because I don't know if I wrote everything correctly or if I made mistakes. Ouch, I can see one. To do the most important things and not the more. I'm sorry. I told you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful for you, and I hope you didn't get too much hurt by my mistakes.